Are you looking for the best cookware sets? Cookware sets are the backbone of any well-equipped kitchen, bridging everyday tasks from quick weeknight dinners to weekend culinary experiments. The right set can improve heat distribution, reduce cleanup time, and extend the life of your investment. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 popular 17 to 19 piece to 11 piece sets across 3 brands, Carrot, Tefal, and Cuisinart, to illustrate differences in material.
Product number 1, Carrot Non-Stick Pots. Overview. This 16-piece Carrot set uses reinforced die-cast aluminum with a titanium non-stick coating designed for durable everyday use. It includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans with lids, a 5-quart sauté pan with lid, a 5-quart stock pot with lid, and essential utensils plus pan protectors. It is induction compatible and oven safe with silicone lids and Bakelite handles. The 12-month warranty adds reassurance for a budget-conscious shopper. Performance mid-range. The titanium non-stick is touted for easy release and cleanup, and the aluminum body promises quick, even heating with minimal hot spots. In kitchen practice, the set shines for quick sautés and reheat tasks, with the lids helping to trap heat and flavor. However, like many non-stick aluminum sets at this price point, you should avoid high-heat searing to maximize longevity of the coating. The included 8-inch and 9.5-inch fry pans provide versatile daily use options, and the dishwasher-safe claim is convenient for busy households, though hand washing can extend non-stick life.
Product number 2, Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized. Overview. A 17-piece hard anodized set from Tefal featuring a titanium-like non-stick surface, thermospot preheat indicator, and a broad mix of pieces including multiple saucepans, fry pans, a griddle, an egg pan, and a steamer insert. It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and is designed for compatibility with gas and electric coil stoves, but not induction. The robust weight, 28.8 pounds, and lifetime limited warranty signal a long-term kitchen workhorse for non-induction homes. Performance deep dive. Thermospot gives a tangible cue for preheating, which helps new cooks avoid under or overheating. The hard anodized exterior provides durability and faster heat retention, while the riveted silicone handles add comfort during long culinary sessions. The lack of induction compatibility limits placement in modern induction kitchens, but for households without induction or for travelers to non-induction homes, this set remains a solid option. Cleaning is straightforward due to dishwasher-safe construction, though metal utensil use can wear the interior non-stick over time.
Product number 3, Carrot 19 Pieces Pots Overview. This Carrot set emphasizes modularity with detachable handles for compact storage and RV-friendly versatility. It includes 2 saucepans, 2 frying pans, a sauté pan, a storage lid, detachable handles, utensils, and pan protectors. It's induction compatible and oven safe with BPA-free and PFOS and PFOA-free construction and a lightweight footprint, 8.8 pounds. The detachable handle concept adds space-saving appeal for campers and tiny kitchen users. Performance deep dive. The non-stick surface supports easy release and cleanup, while the detachable handles enable a surprising amount of versatility across stove to oven transitions. Real-world use benefits include space savings and simplified washing when all parts can be washed together. However, due to the lighter build and detachable design, heat distribution may exhibit minor hotspots during high heat searing or dense sauces. The set's smaller total weight improves maneuverability, but it may not feel as robust as all-metal sets over time.
Products number 4, Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Overview. This 11-piece stainless steel set from Tefal emphasizes induction compatibility, rugged stainless construction, and high oven tolerance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes 2 fry pans, a sauté pan, 2 saucepans, a large 7-quart stock pot, a steamer, and practical features like measurement marks and pouring spouts. It is designed for versatility across stoves and oven environments, with riveted handles and vented lids for heat control. Performance deep dive. Stainless steel construction promotes durability and neutral flavor with fewer coating concerns.
The set benefits from even heating thanks to well-engineered bases and careful lid design, making it a strong option for browning, deglazing, and reducing sauces. Maintenance is straightforward, though stainless can require occasional polishing to maintain the mirror finish. This set is ideal for heavy use and professional-like results, but it may be heavier and require a bit more attention to avoid food sticking if not preheated properly.
Product number 5. Cuisinart 17-piece cookware set. Overview. The premium 17-piece Chef's Classic Steel collection from Cuisinart pairs classic stainless steel with a robust 500-degree Fahrenheit oven tolerance. Included are multiple saucepans, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, a stock pot, and 3 highly usable skillets, plus a steamer insert. An encapsulated base aims to deliver quick, even heating, while a mirrored stainless exterior provides a premium look. It includes lifetime warranty, riveted handles, and helper handles on larger pieces for better control. Performance deep dive. The aluminum encapsulated base promotes efficient heat spread and minimizes hot spots, a key advantage when cooking delicate sauces or large batches. Stainless surfaces resist staining and food flavor transfer, preserving the integrity of dishes. The heavy build, while impressive, might demand more storage space and a heavier lift for some cooks. Maintenance is manageable with dishwasher-safe design, though hand washing can help sustain the mirrored finish over time.